Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears or does it suddenly go into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0718 Input Turbine Speed Sensor a circuit intermittent, it means there's an issue with the input speed sensor signal. In this video I'll explain what P0718 means, its symptoms and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0718? The P0718 trouble code is triggered when the transmission control module detects an intermittent or faulty signal from the input turbine speed sensor. This sensor monitors how fast the input shaft of the transmission is spinning. If the signal cuts in and out, the TCM gets confused and struggles to shift gears properly. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0718. Check engine light on erratic or harsh shifting transmission. Slipping speedometer issues, car stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0718, check these key transmission-related components. Input turbine speed sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft or torque converter. Function. Measures the speed of the transmission's input shaft and sends data to the TCM. Output speed sensor location, near the transmission output shaft opposite the TSS. Function, works with the TSS to determine gear ratios. Transmission control module location, either inside the transmission or mounted near the engine bay. Function, uses sensor data to manage gear shifting. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location, under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, processes speed sensor data and controls transmission operation. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location, runs from the transmission to the PCM. Function, transmits sensor data to the PCM, TCM. Common causes of P0718, faulty input turbine speed sensor. The sensor may be damaged, disconnected, or have an internal fault. Wiring issues, frayed, corroded, or loose wires can cause intermittent signal loss. Bad TCM or PCM. If the control module fails to process the sensor's data, it might need reprogramming or replacement. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Old fluid can cause slipping and sensor malfunctions. Internal transmission problems. Worn out gears or clutches may contribute to incorrect speed sensor readings. How to fix P0718? Step 1. Inspect the input speed sensor. Look for damage, dirt buildup, or loose connections. Step 2. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If it's not producing a stable signal, replace it. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. If it's low, burnt, or dirty, replace it. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Fix any damaged or loose wires in the transmission harness. Step 5. Test the TCM and PCM. If everything else checks out, the TCM or PCM may need to be replaced or reprogrammed. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0718 can cause serious transmission problems, erratic shifting, or limp mode. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0691, fan control circuit low, P0692, fan control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.